Welcome to my channel, Parnika Impressions. In this video, we are making a cute jellyfish craft using cardboard and gift papers. A fun and easy activity for kids to learn about sea animals. I made this project for Ocean Team stage activity. I took old cardboard and cut it in shape of jellyfish like semicircle. I sticked pink color sheets as body and dark pink for highlights. Used white and black color for eyes. I cut shine gift paper into thin strips and attaches as strings. Hey, we are done. We brought adorable jellyfish to life with simple materials and imagination. If you enjoy fun die crafts ideas, please like, share and subscribe for more creative videos. Comment below and tell me how your jellyfish turned out. Thank you.